Camila and you're watching my channel One Color Food. Today I'm gonna cook green fruit dessert. Probably you would like to know what is it One Color Food. It's so easy peasy. You just pick up products of One Color and cook and mix them together. So I'm gonna use the following ingredients. Peel and diced avocado. I use the half, but actually you may use the whole one. Peel and diced kiwi. And green grapes. I cut it in halves and clean it from the stones. And I have a secret ingredient. It's Italian limoncello. So you see, it's a perfect color. I highly recommend you to use this Italian liqueur limoncello because it's a perfect match into this dessert. But actually you may use any kind of liquor that you have in your house. Just use 25-30 milliliters. Mix all ingredients thoroughly. And actually it is ready. So let us try it. It's so tasty. I highly recommend you to cook it. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, leave your comments below and subscribe.